So let's press our button. Look, it's boiling. And look at our slime. It cooked so good, it won't even move. There's our drooping slime. All right, let's get our slime. Hi guys, look how cute our Paw Patrol are here. And they're ready to cook some food. So we're going to get some food all ready by first cutting up all this fruit and vegetables. And then we're gonna cook some slime. Let's get started cutting up this fruit. Let's start with this corn cob. We need to cut this corn cob in half. There we go. We got our cut in half corn cob and that's ready to cook. Now let's cut up this strawberry. Perfect. Next up is this carrot. We're just gonna cut it right in half. There's our cut in half carrot. Ooh, it's a slippery one. How about this little watermelon? There we go. Perfect. Now let's cut up some broccoli. Get our knife in there. There we go. And last thing we're going to cut up are some grapes. There. Now we have all this stuff to cook together. Okay. Let's start cooking. Let's start with the rice cooker here. And we'll spread out all of our Paw Patrol so that they can all cook separate. But first we're going to start with Rocky. And we're going to use some green slime to cook with Rocky. This is a lemon slice. So, to cook, we're going to open this up. We're going to put our slime inside. Okay, Rocky, turn it on. Good job, Rocky. I bet that's some good rice. Oops. Good slime rice. Let's put our slime rice, whoops, over Rocky. There. All right. Let's go on to our next food. We're going to be making some toast with rubble. That means we need some yellow slime. Ooh. All right, Rubble, are you ready? We gotta push your toast in there. And then we're gonna put our slime on top. And now let's press the button. Ah! They popped up with the slime. Now let's try it. Let's try it without the slime. Look what happens. Whoa! They popped up like crazy. Cute little toaster. Good job, Rubble. Now let's put our slime over Rubble. Funny. Next up, we have Sky. Sky, get up. Sky is going to be using the stove, and we got her some purple slime to use and cook. There we go. Gotta get the slime off the lid. here's our purple slime. So we're gonna split this slime in half and put some in our little pan, and then we're gonna, oops, open up the stove, put some in there. And now we're gonna watch everything get cooked. Like boiling, we're gonna boil some water here and then cook that. So let's press our button. Look, it's boiling. And look at our slime. It cooked so good, it won't even move. There's our drooping slime. All right, let's get our slime. And let's put it over Sky. Good job cooking your slime, Sky. There. Okay, next up is Marshall. Let's take a look at what's in this fridge. Nothing under there. How about opening the fridge? That's funny. It's a funny little song. But look, now let's get out our red slime for Marshall. Marshall just really wants to get our slime super cold. So we're gonna put it in the freezer. There. Now let's let it sit there for just one moment. Okay. Ooh, now our slime is super cold. Let's put it over Marshall. Okay, Chase, you're next. Chase has this cute little egg cooker, but we need to cook it with some slime. We're gonna use blue slime with Chase. Let's open up our egg cooker and put our slime over the eggs. Put our lid back on. All right, what happens when we press the cook button? Oh, look, it's cooking. Look, it even lit up a little bit in there. It's a blue light. Go, eggs, go, cook them. Okay, I think those eggs are cooked real good, Chase. Now let's put what Chase cooked on his head. Put the lid back on there. All right, last one is Zuma. Isn't that right, Zuma? You betcha. So we're going to cook some orange slime with Zuma. So let's open up his microwave. Ooh, there's a little chicken in there. Let's put our slime over the chicken. And let's press start. There we go. Let's get our slime out of there. It's all sorts of warmed up. There. And let's put our slime on Zuma. There. Now we have all of our Paw Patrol. All done cooking with slime. Good job, Paw Patrol. All right, say bye to Sky. Bye.
Bye-bye.
There's a hot dog and a hot dog bun. Hi guys, look who we have with us today. We have Poppy, Chase, and Sky. And we have the oven and stove here with us. It looks like we're gonna have to cook up some stuff. What would you guys like to cook first? Chicken, I want some chicken. All right, we can get some chicken. Let's open up this egg and see if we can find some chicken in there. All right, let's open it up. Ooh, we found some chicken. Let's try that again. Let's open it up again. Oh my goodness, we got 2 chickens out of that magical egg. So let's open up our oven, stick in our 2 whole chickens. Let's close it up. And look, we have a chicken button. So we're gonna click the chicken button and start. Oh, smell that chicken. Huh. Ooh, this one's cold still. I think we have to press chicken twice because there's 2 chickens. So let's press it again. Okay, there we go. Now we got our 2 chickens. Now let's let you guys eat these. All right, Chase and Sky, here you go. 1 chicken for Chase, 1 chicken for Sky. Oh, that was so good. Oh, chicken is so good. Thanks so much for cooking that for us. Whew, I'm gonna go take a nap. Doop, doop, doop. All right, bye, Sky. I wanna see what else we do with the oven. All right, what about you, Poppy? What do you wanna do? We should make a hamburger and a hot dog. Okay, we can do that. Let's get out the egg and see what comes out of it. Ooh, we got a hamburger patty. We also got some tomatoes. That looks like some pickles. There's some cheese. Ooh, that's a bun. That's another half of a bun. There's a hot dog and a hot dog bun. Oh my goodness, wait, there's something else in here. Oh, there's also a croissant roll. Look at all this stuff we have for hamburgers and hot dogs. Get up, Poppy, we gotta cook all of this stuff. Let's start off by toasting the buns. Let's do this first button. Look, there's even a hot dog right there. There we go. We have nice and toasty buns right there. So now what do you put on after the bun? You do the hamburger. So let's cook that hamburger up. Let's do the chicken button for hamburger. Oh, good. We got our good old hamburger all cooked up. Let's set it on the bottom bun. And now what comes after the ham? Oh no, we didn't melt our cheese on the hamburger. Gotta put it back in. Now we don't have to do this for a long time. We just need it to melt the cheese. There. Now we got our hamburger with the melted cheese. Now let's put on some of the tomatoes. And pickles. And then the top bun. Look at that. We made a perfectly good hamburger. Look how tasty that looks. Here, Poppy, go ahead and eat it. Oh, it's all gone. You ate the whole thing, Poppy. That was so good. I love hamburgers. Now let's cook the hot dog. All right, here's our little hot dog. And why don't we go ahead and put the bun in with it too. So let's do our chicken button for the hot dog. Nice. Now let's do this little button for the bread. Okay, so we got our hot dog bun, our hot dog. Let's slide our hot dog in there. There you go, Poppy, eat away. Man, you can sure eat a lot of food. All right. Now we have this croissant left. Okay, which button should we do for the croissant? Let's try all of the buttons. Woohoo! There, the croissant should be fully cooked and good by now. Here you go, Poppy. Here, take a bite, Chase. Ooh, man, you guys love your food. Alrighty then, let's close up the oven. We're all done cooking. I just took the best nap ever. I had a dream. I ate a hamburger and a hot dog and a good old croissant. That's what we just did, Sky. You probably just smelt our food. Yeah, Sky, that's funny. Oh, silly me. Well, I think I'm gonna take another nap right here. Well, alrighty then. Say bye. Bye, everyone. Bye, Paw Patrol. Bye, Poppy.
Bye-bye.